Entry Magazine fans, I'm Drew Smith, author of Organize Your Genealogy, and I'm here at a conference in Salt Lake City. I'm in the Family History Library right now, but conferences have a lot of sessions to attend, and I have a tip for you on how to prepare for any conference that you go to. First, before you go to a conference about genealogy, you should have an education plan. What are you going to focus on at the conference? You should make a list after you've looked at the conference schedule to see which sessions are going to help you the most with the problems that you're currently dealing with in your research. Now, what you might do is use a tool to manage your itinerary. I like to use TripIt because it allows me to keep track not only of such things as my airline flights and my hotels and all the other things and meals, but I can also put in the classes that I plan to attend, where they're located, what time they are. And this way I make sure to get to the things I really want to get to. You might want to have a backup just in case you get to that session and you find out the room is full. So you might want to have a second choice just in case. But these are tips that can help you make the most out of a conference. When you're in a lecture, what you also want to do is take good notes. And I use Evernote to keep track of my notes from conferences. That way they're searchable when I get back. So if I have that question in my head about, oh, what was that session I went to about Irish genealogy? And I may not remember its title or even who gave the talk, but if I put in Ireland or Irish in Evernote, I can search and I can find all the notes I took during that session.